So today I'm going to be making Blackberry Cobbler. It's the first time I've tried this kind. And unfortunately I thought I had more than one pie plate. But warm wishes, still cute. And of course these are the ingredients you'll be needing: blackberries, vanilla extract, baking powder, sugar, flour, and a pinch of salt. I almost forgot one of the most important ingredients: a whole stick of butter. This is where you pour in your sugar and all your fresh blackberries. Stir it around, make sure they're all nice and covered. Don't forget that tasty vanilla extract. I always put a little bit extra just in case. Now grab your butter spray, spray it around your plate, pan, whatever it is you're using so it doesn't stick to. Dump your mixture of berries and sugar into the bottom of the pan. Spread it around, make sure it covers. In a bowl, crack that egg, dump the flour, your sugar mixture. I always split it with brown sugar to give it a little extra sweetness, but you can use just white sugar if you like. Take that melted butter, pour it in on the top. A little bit of baking powder. Take your dash of salt. I put a little less in just in case because salt scares me and sweetness sometimes. Stir all that up, until it's all blended together. You can use a hand mixer if you like. It's just, it doesn't take long this route anyways. Once it's all good and mixed, pour it on top of your berry mixture. Make sure you spread it around. You could use like just the bottom of your spoon or anything you have. Throw it in the oven, take it out after 30 to 45 minutes. And ta-da! All right, here's the final product, and don't forget to scoop some vanilla ice cream. Whee!